Welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video, where it's all Playmobil all the time. Today we're going to be taking a trip back through the mists of time to a time called the 90s with the help of our friend Marty McFly here from the Back to the Future franchise. Let's move him out of the way and reveal what it is we're going to be unboxing today. So today we're going to spotlight set number 3631, the Traveling Monk. I went to a toy store in Richmond, Virginia that's actually closing its doors very soon. They're trying to get rid of their inventory as much as possible, and I guess they won't officially close until much of it is gone, if not all of it. They had found a box of these. It's been stored away forever, since 1993 apparently, and so they threw them out on the shelves next to all their more modern Playmobil toys, namely the Special Plus figures. And that was the first thing I saw when I walked in there, and I had to get them. So I grabbed not one, but two of them. So we're going to open this one just because the box is a little bit more beat up. If you're a fan of the Knights, or if you want a Robin Hood set, there is a Merry Men Playmobil set available currently. He would make a great addition, although there is another monk, Friar Tuck figure, I guess, that's part of the Robin Hood Merry Men figurines. I don't think they're actually called Robin Hood Merry Men. I'm not really sure what they are at the moment. I'm too excited about this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the package. So as we're looking at the packaging here, we can see our monk prominently displayed on the front, but the background is a little bit more dark compared to what we're used to, and not as detailed. But yeah, much of the packaging was done in the same format, actually. There was not a whole... It was very colorful, but it was just, you know, they didn't use real-life elements to help sell the product here. And it was okay, because this worked. This did the same thing. This is pretty much how it was all the time. And then they had this little warning choking hazard sticker on the front. Where the modern ones, I don't think they have a warning sticker because they have the printed warnings all over the box. So another thing to notice on the front cover is that the pictures are all framed. And I don't know when they changed to the more modern format, but I like them both, just because it's part of the Playmobil packaging, and that's okay. So checking out this side of the box, we have some choking hazard warnings in various languages. The other side is a continuation of those choking hazard warnings, and the bottom has just the bottom side is pretty generic. It's just a smaller picture of our front image without the Playmobil logo on the top. Top of the box has the suggested age range for play. And the back has our pieces photographed individually, except he is wearing his cape. But enough of the packaging details. Let's go ahead and crack this guy open. Wow, first off, let's check out the little catalog here. The Knights. Look at that. Look how muted the product's photographed here. They've got that very dark and somewhat muted but colorful background. Those are kind of cool, actually, and I'm sure some of those are still being produced today. There's I remember having this ghost. I love that ghost just because it glowed in the dark. He glue in the dark? Is that right? Or glowed in the dark? Here's our traveling monk. Let's put this aside and check out our traveling monk. The whole purpose of this video. Alright, and here is our wandering monk out of the box. Not a whole lot to say about him. I do like him regardless, though. I do think he's just very unique, just because I don't see a whole lot of brown, so I'm really happy to add this to the collection. He does have these sandals, which I put on, and I don't normally like to put on the sandals because it just means, you know, there's two more pieces you got to keep track of. But these, unlike a lot of the other slippers or sandals that we have with other figures, fasten onto the feet. Okay, and here is his cape. It is hooded. It feels like a very substantial plastic, like that's not going to get brittle for a very long time and break like plastic is supposed to. But I do count on Playmobil to be top quality figures and accessories and things like that, so I don't expect anything bad to happen for a very long time. Then he has his stick, which I always thought it was fascinating that Playmobil chooses like very odd colors for their sticks. They got this orange color. He's supposed to hold this to carry his little satchel that he has here. And where's my satchel? Here it is. It's right onto the twig here. It kind of dangles a little bit, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and put this on. I'm actually meant to put that on before I put the stick into his hand. And there we go. So just like the front of the box there, we have our wandering monk. Well guys, that pretty much concludes our video today. Hope you enjoyed us reviewing and opening the Playmobil set number 3631, the Traveling Monk. Pretty neat to find this old treasure and present it to you guys. Glad I bought two. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up and comment below if you'd like, and follow us on Instagram. And we will see you guys next time right here on Playmo AF. Thanks a lot guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.